In this video, I'll show you how to draw lines in Affinity version 3. The line tool can be a little confusing at first because it's not visible as a separate tool, but once you know where to find it, it becomes very easy and useful to work with. In Affinity version 3, the line tool isn't listed on the main toolbar, and it's not inside the shape tools either. Instead, it's actually a mode within the pen tool. To access it, select the pen tool first, then look at the mode options at the top. By default, the pen tool is set to standard pen mode, but if you switch to the line mode, you'll be able to draw straight lines. Each time you draw, Affinity will create a separate line, which is very handy for simple designs. After drawing a line, you can adjust its stroke width by increasing it from 0 to make the line visible, and you can also change the stroke color. A fill color isn't needed for simple lines, so you can remove it if one appears. Holding the Shift key while drawing helps snap the line to perfect angles, ensuring it stays straight. If you make a mistake, you can switch to the Node tool and move the nodes to adjust the line. If you want to draw a longer or continuous line, switch back to the classic pen tool instead of line mode. By clicking point by point, you can create straight segments, and pressing the Escape key will finish the line when you're done. Clicking and dragging will create curved lines, and if you connect the line back to its starting point, you'll form a closed shape that can be filled with color. For perfectly straight, non-curved connected lines, you can also use polygon-style modes. Stroke width and color can always be adjusted later in the stroke panel. To sum it up, the line tool in Affinity version 3 isn't a standalone tool, it's a mode within the pen tool. Just select the pen tool, switch to line mode, and you're ready to draw clean, precise lines. I hope this explanation helped make things clearer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.